This is David Mehmet. It is September 12th, 2025. Okay, this is going to be a tutorial on the AiPICK3 calendar. Okay, now if you look at the left-hand side, you can see some control panels here. And the first set of control panels is the draw times. So you've got morning, day, evening, and night. And if you turn them off, it removes all the numbers, and then you can just select which draw time you want to view so you could see when or what patterns are coming out during that time. I know a lot of players like to look at certain draw times to see what patterns come out, so you have that. Then you have here, you have the singles, doubles, and triples. Also, you can turn them on and off like that and distinguish which one you want to highlight. For example, if you wanted to do singles, which hit the most, turn off doubles and triples, and you have all singles like that. I do have here on 8 and 9. Let me turn on everything. There you go, like that. So turn back on doubles and triples, right? And then here, you see here where it says turn on. These are the 1-2 sums. There's 4 of them, as you know, and the lotto pool also has these 4. When you turn this on, it's going to flip. Right now, it is on the pair sums view, okay? As you can see with the winning numbers, you've got the night and day and evening here, draws, you see that? So if you turn this on like that, pair sums, it flips from pair sums to 1-2 sums, as you can see here. So on the right-hand side of this color bar, you see the 1-2 sums that come out. And on the left-hand side, these are the row numbers, letters and row numbers. So F60V. So you should know what that is. In past videos, I showed you what those are. Let me just go here and show you. If you go to the box numbers, they're basically these numbers here, how they're organized. So vertically, you have A to L. Horizontally, you have M to V for singles. And then you have the double numbers, and then you have the triple numbers. So that's basically what it means. So if number 014 would be A30, okay? And then card numbers here, 3, 4, 5, 6, they basically just run numeric order. So from 1 to all the way to 122, okay? The reason why this is like this is because it's filtered out. So if I turn this back on, hold on, like that. There you go. As you can see 120 single numbers down to 210, which is added the 90 doubles, and 220 for the total with the triples. All right, so now let's go back to the calendar. So you know what these are now, right? So F60V, okay? And then you have the winning numbers on there, and then you can basically turn off each one of these, which will remove that certain color bar. So say, for example, you removed 1, 1 and 1, 2. You're left with 2, 1 and 2, 2. You want to remove that one, and then it'll leave you with basically just 2, 2. So you could see the actual patterns that come out, which come out a lot. So if you just want to play 2, 2 for the entire week, you can see how 2, 2 hits multiple times. And if you're playing for single numbers only, you could turn off doubles and triples like that, and you'll be able to see the pattern even clearly. As you can see, multiple times a week, the 2-2 hits, which will help you catch these and play with less numbers, all right, as you can see. So for example, if you go to, there's 2 areas that you can see these numbers. You can either go to lotto pool or play numbers. If you go play numbers, you'll be able to see them down here. So you filter it out, say you filtered out singles you're looking for, and you're looking for the 2-2 filter. So you do singles, and then you go down here for the play numbers page. You go down to 2-2. Up, hold on a second. These are the pair sums. Keep those on. You go here, numbers filter. You go down to 2-2. Right here, 2-2. Turn off these other ones here like that, and then it'll show you what numbers are left here. Okay. Now, if you're going to filter this down, remember these are draws. So tells you how many draws you want to remove. So because it says 730 draws, which are the total draws that are displayed here in the lotto pool, see, they'll be here. This is filtered down. But you want to withdraw, say, for example, 100 draws, okay? The reason why you want 100 draws, as I said before, you want to see more of the green numbers, okay, like that coming out. Like, for example, this, what you see here, high probability next win for Georgia is going to come out green, all right? So green would be here in this section, one of these numbers, like 12 numbers here if it comes out single, all right? So this is one page you can view them on, and next page you can view them on is here, the lotto pool here. So you go 2 2 like that, and here's the 12 numbers again. You see? All right, so back to the calendar. All right, so we're going to turn this back, hold on, these back on, and doubles and triples, and we have now the we're in August, here September. This is September. Okay, so here we have them all on. Say, for example, you want to just select a single pair sum or more than one. Say, for example, 822. Click that 822, and you're able to see the 822s here, how many times they won. Now, 822 did win on Thursday there. So let's see here. If you turn this here, 1 2 sums, you can see what 1 2 sums was connected by that and the row numbers. Click that, it's 1 1. So 018 with the 1 1 that hit right there. All right. And then you can turn it back on like this. And you can see the other ones as well with the row numbers. Interesting. Look at this. The fourth straight down vertically. Look, same number had won. A7S 018 018. Interesting. Anyway, there you go. Turn them back on. All right. And that's pretty much it. It's a very simple calendar, but very powerful. You get to see patterns very clearly and get to catch them easily. And I'm going to put the this YouTube tutorial right here. So whenever you want to review it again, just click the YouTube link and it'll open up this video. Okay? I wish you the best.